In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their digital marketing efforts, and I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you understand each part of the process. So let's dive right in. We begin by heading over to the Google Ads platform. Once you get there, navigate to the Overview section. This is your starting point, and from here you'll have access to the various tools you need for managing and assessing your advertising campaigns. Now, with the platform open, your next move is to locate the Goals tab. By clicking on Goals, you're essentially accessing a segment of your account where you can view different objectives you have set for your campaign. From there, proceed to click on Conversions. Conversions are, after all, the core of this operation. Within this section, you'll manage the actions that have been set up to measure and track your business's performance in the advertising realm. Next up is clicking on Summary. This area provides a glance at your overall conversion actions, offering insights into how well different strategies are performing. After reviewing the summary, find the option that says Create Conversion Action. This is where the real workflow starts to take shape. By creating a conversion action, you are enabling specific tracking of how users interact with your website after engaging with your ads. Once you've done this, you need to click on Import. Importing data is crucial because it brings in the analytical data from Google Analytics 4, allowing it to be utilized within your Google Ads account. You're effectively linking the performance insights between two major Google platforms. With the import section open, select Google Analytics 4 properties. This selection is a vital connection point, pulling vital data that gives an accurate picture of user engagement and conversions directly into your ad strategy. For those whose focus might either be on app or web settings, you'll need to choose one of these options next. If you're tracking conversions from a mobile application, opt for app. Conversely, if your conversions are coming from a website, the web option will be your go-to. After you've made your choice, go ahead and click Continue. This action will advance you to the next stage of the process. It's essential at this juncture to ensure that your Google Analytics account is properly linked. This is key to making sure everything runs smoothly. Finally, click on Import and Continue. Voila! The linkage is complete, bringing your GA4 conversion data into the fold with Google Ads. With this setup, you're well on your way to crafting more informed digital marketing strategies. Remember, understanding the data and leveraging it effectively can make a significant impact on your advertising success. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your campaigns.